How to use Airbnb Wishlist. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now Airbnb Wishlists are tools for saving, organizing and collaborating on potential stays and experiences. In order to create one, you simply have to log into your Airbnb account. But before that, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that your application is updated to the latest version. So what here you need to do is simply log into your Airbnb account, navigate to a saved section from your profile, right? So here you have these wish list section. If you want to add in, or if you want to add in your reservation or any sort of accommodation that you liked to your wish list, you just have to click on this heart icon at the top right corner of the image. So as you could see, I've created a wish list, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it a name and click on the create button. Now if I want to explore my wish list section, I just need to tap on the wish list from the left hand side corner of my screen, the bottom left, and here you have. So basically I just need to go ahead and look for the one that I've saved or that I've created, and this way you'll be able to use the wish list for. So similarly, you could do the same thing with the rest of the other popular accommodations or any sort of item that you like, and then add it to your wish list. And in future, if you like to go to that following place, you could go ahead and use the wish list in order to look for a better accommodation. So that's how you could use wish list on your Airbnb app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.